Google Website Builder tutorial. Hey guys, in this video we will learn about how to build your website on Google site for free. Let me first give you the introduction of Google Sites. Google Sites is a structured web page creation tool created by Google, and this service also includes Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Slides, etc. Now all you have to do is just go to your browser and type Google Sites and click on the link which appears first. On our home page we have these already inbuilt templates. You can choose them if you wanna save time, but I would prefer the blank one. And now we won't just start it from here. I'll show you guys a new way of saving our project, which is go to my drive, click on the new, more, and Google Sites. It will directly take us to the blank page of Google Sites. So let's start designing. First we will give name to our website and let's say it all about cats. As you can see, this name appears here on your tab and it will be saved in your drive with the same name too. And before we get started, one thing that I wanna tell you guys is that if you are creating this project with the people from your organization or maybe your classmates, then all you have to do is just click here and add the Gmail address of the people that you wanna add, and after that they will be able to edit the website. And you can also choose the option of restricted or anyone with the link from here. Now before we start adding more content and more pages to our websites, you can choose a theme and it is limited. Over here we have themes, and under these themes there are different themes, and below these themes different colors. And if I wanna pick my color, then I only have to click on this bucket and add the hex numbers of the color and it will appear on my page. We can also choose different style of font from here, although they are limited, but they will go with the page. So before I move on, I wanna change this image of here, and I will click on change image and it will give us two options, upload or select image. If we choose select image, all these inbuilt images will appear, and if you want then you can choose any image from here, or you can paste any URL to add an image, or you can search from search engine, add it from your album or your drive too. And if you choose upload, then it will ask you to add an image from your device. So I will click on upload and I will choose this one for now. And from here I can change how my image will look like. So when I click on it, it will show me the option of cover, large banner, or maybe just the title only. I will go with the large banner for now. Next step we will go with is the bottom of our page, which is footer. When you hover over here, add footer will appear, and when you click on it, a text box will appear which will go across your screen. And footer is where all the links of your social media like YouTube, Instagram, Facebook is given, and the FAQs about your website is given. So I will just write this is footer for now, and I can choose how my text will look like a title, heading or subheading or small text. I'll choose subheading, and I can bold it, italicize it, underline it, and also I can pick color of my font. And as I said before, on our footer all the links of our social media are there, and if you want to add the link, then you have to click on this insert link option from here. And on our left we have this section colors, duplicate section, or a trash can. And if we click on this section color, from here we can choose the background of our footer. You can add the color for your footer, or if you click here, from here you can add an image to your footer. I will just select any image from our inbuilt image gallery. I think this will work for now. And my footer is ready. And now this is where I'm gonna preview the project, and if you go up and click here, we can get an idea from here that how our website will look on real web. Across here we have this option of how it will look like on mobile, on a tablet, and on a computer. And if I hit the exit, it will take us to our page. Alright, let's see, in case if accidentally you have closed this tab, then don't worry, we all have it on our drive. When you click on this, open with Google Sites. And it will take us back where we have left. And now I am going to change this title. I can delete it if I want, but for now let's just write cats. And I can also choose the type of text. I can choose the size of text, bold it, italicized it, underline it, and also choose the color of our text. And if you have any other website to go, then you can insert a link of your website from here, and when I just click on this, then it will take us to that website. Now first thing we are adding from insert is a text box. When I click here, a text box will appear, and let's just write type 1. And there is also another way of doing it. If I double click here, this pop-up will appear, and I can choose the option whichever I want. So I will choose text box, and another text box will appear. So I will write here type 2, and I can also adjust the size of my text box according to these grids. Also for this one. And I can move my text box from here if I want. Alright, I can also insert an image between these two text boxes if I want. Just click here, and this pop-up will appear again, and I'll choose upload because I have that image already on my device. I'll choose this one, and here is the image. I can resize it as per my convenience, and from here I have this crop option where I can crop a certain part of my image, but I want to keep the full image. One thing that I want to tell you guys is that if you have any link to add with this image, then you can insert it from the insert link option over here. And on our insert we have these images from here. You can add any image from your drive and your Google album. We have this embed option and we can add anything here from our drive to your image. And if I click here, another will appear. They are all in different formats and you can choose one which goes with your website. And these layouts are very easy way to sort out your website. And when you look down over here, we have this collapsible text, table of contents, image carousel button like a submit button or search button, or divider, spacer, social links, placeholder. You can add any video from YouTube to your website, anything from your Google Calendar to your website, from Google Maps, anything from your Google Docs, Google Slides, Google Sheets, any Google form, and also Google Chats. And the last thing that I want to show you is pages. Right now we have only one page, but if we click on this plus button, all these options will appear. And when I add on new page, then you have to write the name of your new page, just like page 2. And a page 2 option will appear here. If you click on home, it will take you to home, and if you click on page 2, then it will take you to page 2. Right now we haven't added anything to our page 2, that's why it is like this. And you can also change how your nav bar looks like. If you go to setting and here navigation, and it will give you option of top and slides. Right now we have this top, and if I choose slide, then nothing will change. But when you click here, our nav bar has come to here and it is same. I can also choose the color of our top from the settings, and it is white, black, or transparent. I would prefer transparent for now. Now if you want to add more information about your website, then go to settings and brand images, and from here you can upload or select any logo for your website, and also a fav icon. Fav icon is what appears here. You can add it from your Google, and you can customize your own logo and fav icon. So now we are ready to publish our site. Just click on this publish button, and we have to customize our own link. Add customized domains if you have one, and after this our site has been published. That's all we need to know about Google Sites. Building websites with Google Sites is very easy. Any beginner can build amazing website, but you just have to organize everything before you start building it. Hope you guys find it helpful, and thanks for watching my video. I'll surely catch you up in the next one.